Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me, and let's get into it. A slightly different location than normal, just so you can see the Colorado back there. So today, I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter on your 2015 and up Chevy Colorado. So don't take my word on this one, but this is the filter I am using right here. Look at the part number. Well, the part not to take my word on. I assume this is the same cabin air filter for both motors, well, probably even the 4-cylinder also. But don't take my word for that. You can go to, very simple to go to a website like Pep Boys, AutoZone, like one of those websites. Put your make and model in, get to the cabin air filters, and it'll give you some part numbers. Go to the store, get your part number. So this was the one. I have a V6. And like I said again, it's probably the same for all of them, but don't take my word on it. There you go. So I believe the recommended time to change your air filter is every 15,000 miles. Well, I've seen 15 to 30, 15 to 25,000 miles. So in that ballpark is where you want to do it. If you live in a dustier area, I would recommend doing it sooner than later. I'm at 28,000 miles on this truck right now. We just did a cross-country trip. We got back last week and just did an oil change, changed the air filter. Air filter wasn't as horrible as I was assuming it was going to be, but changed the air filter, did the oil change. I don't know if I said it was 5,800 miles round trip. So when I left, I was well within the range of the cabin air filter. Kind of didn't cross my mind to change it beforehand, and now we're doing it. So we did go to Utah and drove around like in the desert a little bit, so probably going to be a little dusty, a little crusty looking, but going to get into it. It's a couple, this is one of the easier things to do on a vehicle. Changing your cabin air filter is pretty easy to do. I don't even think we need any tools other than maybe a pair of like needle nose pliers, but we're gonna go into the car. It's behind the glove box. Let's change it. Now I probably have way too much stuff in this glove box, but okay. So with your glove box closed, I'm gonna go underneath. You'll see there's a pin here, and I think that the other pins over here. You got to get them out. You probably just have to like squeeze the one end of it and push it through. Needle nose pliers will help you do that, and I'll get back to you in 2 seconds when those are out. So this is what we're looking like. 2 of these, squeeze that end and use something to just pry it out to the side. And then when we drop this, turn this off. When we drop this down, there's gonna be nothing holding it at this end. So if you have a lot of stuff in the glove box like I do, be careful. So it kind of just drops down. It's not that hard to wiggle it out, but like I said, if you have stuff in there, make sure it doesn't fall. This is what you're going to see afterwards. Your air filter's in there. Just 2 clips. Could possibly do this one-handed. Let's see. Maybe not. Bad angle. One of these tabs you press and the whole face comes off like that, and there's your air filter. So make note, airflow is down. Let's go get the other one before we pull this out. Just use something to help you grab it, maybe like needle nose pliers. Grab the top. There's a little lip across the bottom, so you might just have to lift it a little bit, but let's see this. That's a fresh one for reference. Brand new, 28,000 miles. So this is the new one. I don't know if you're going to focus on it. Has airflow down, but this was in this way, so obviously it doesn't fit that way. You got to turn it. Just make note. Just take note. Airflow down. Done. Well, we're not like done. We still got to put the glove box on, but just the reverse of what we did before. Put the glove box back in, even snap it in so it latches, put these pins back, then we're done. Done. So that was almost real time. It was, as you can tell, it's very simple to do this. Change the cabin air filter. Should probably be changing it a little more frequently than I did. I would say maybe 15,000 miles you might want to change it. Don't double that. Gross. So the only tools I used for that was a pair of needle nose pliers. You could probably get away with maybe even a screwdriver, but the easiest thing I would think would be needle nose pliers, because then you could help you grab the old filter out and pull it. I forgot to mention earlier, some cars come with a string that kind of dampens it so it doesn't slam down like that. It's attached here. You could basically just see it's almost like a little keyhole. You just gotta pull it down and pop it out. And that's it. So I want to thank you guys for joining me on this quick video. It was very easy. This maintenance you should be doing. You could probably get away with doing it every other oil change, or maybe every third. Probably do it every other oil change, especially if you live in a dusty area. But that's it. So thank you guys for joining me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave some comments if you have any questions. I do have two other cars here. Not gonna be able to tell from this angle, but a 240SX. Doing a body kit on it. Got a 190E back there. That's my wife's car. Also doing a body kit on that. So hit that subscribe button, follow along, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.